Tired of watching your money sit idle? Ready to accelerate your wealth-building journey? Join me as we explore 7 proven strategies to supercharge your investments and achieve financial freedom faster than ever before. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Wealth Wave. In today's video, we're going to dive into 7 actionable tips that can help you maximize your investment returns and build a solid financial future. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Start early and stay consistent. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small, consistent contributions can yield significant returns over the long term. Automate your investments to make it effortless. For instance, setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account can ensure regular contributions. Tip 2. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversification helps reduce risk and maximize returns. By investing in a variety of assets, you can mitigate the impact of potential losses in any one particular investment. Tip 3. Invest in low-cost index funds. Index funds offer a simple and cost-effective way to invest in the overall market. By tracking a specific market index, these funds provide broad diversification with minimal management fees. Over the long term, index funds have historically outperformed actively managed funds, allowing you to earn higher returns. Tip 4. Reinvest your dividends. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you can reinvest those dividends to buy more shares. This powerful strategy, known as dividend reinvestment, can significantly boost your returns over time. By reinvesting dividends, you're essentially buying more shares at a discounted price, compounding your wealth over time. Tip 5. Consider tax-advantaged accounts. Maximize your investment returns by taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. These accounts allow you to invest your money and let it grow tax-deferred or tax-free. Consider contributing to retirement accounts like 401k, and IRAs, as well as health savings accounts, HSAs. By utilizing these accounts, you can significantly boost your long-term wealth. Tip 6. Stay informed and adapt. Stay updated on market trends, economic news, and industry developments. Be prepared to adjust your investment strategy as needed to capitalize on opportunities and mitigate risks. By staying informed, you can make timely decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Tip 7. Control your emotions. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Stay calm, stick to your long-term plan, and don't let market volatility derail your investment goals. By controlling your emotions, you can make rational investment decisions and avoid costly mistakes. By following these 7 smart investing tips, you can take control of your financial future and build lasting wealth. Remember, consistency, patience, and discipline are key. Start your investment journey today and watch your money grow. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Wealth Wave for more valuable financial insights. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. Together, let's ride the wave of financial success.